you didn't hear me, I said hearing prevention is important because it happens gradually over time and the damage is irreversible. The only way to hear if you suffer from hearing loss is to use hearing aids, and that's no fun. So the name of the game is protecting yourself in the moment. If you're a young person, you might think, hey, it can't happen to me, it's no big deal. But when you're in your 60s and you're saying, huh, and what? Every other word, you're gonna remember, I should have worn my hearing protection when I was on that job site 40 years ago. So the action level that's required for hearing protection is 85 decibels weighted over an 8-hour period. There might be situations on the job site where the work you're doing isn't loud, but somebody next to you is, grabbing a jackhammer, make a lot of noise. So that's why it's important to always carry your earplugs in your vest or in your hard hat. So when loud noises do come up, you can pop them in. And with these earplugs, some people just put them in like this and think they're good. It only works if you got a good seal. And they tell you to actually reach over, grab the top of your ear, open it up, and then stick the earplug in, and then release. And that helps you get a much better seal and actually work the way they're intended. So once they're in and you want to take them out, you don't want to just grab it and pull it out. You can actually do some severe eardrum damage. Just grab it and then twist slowly to break that seal, and then pull out slowly, and you'll be fine. And then once you're done with the earplugs, don't just put them in a dirty pocket. If they're reusable, put them in the little plastic holder and clean them out with just regular soap and warm water, because what you don't want to do is stick dirty, nasty earplugs into your ear canal and get a nasty ear infection. So just maintain your PPE. Hearing prevention is super easy to do, but if you don't use it or wear it incorrectly, you're gonna pay the price in the future.